Hello once again. So in the last video, I kind of gave you an idea of how to um, put things from the calendar into your to-do list. Now I just kind of want to dive in a little more and show how the Todoist itself works. So as you can see, I've already created these subjects, but let's back up. What if I hadn't? So I'm going to pretend I have this hypothetical class called Not a Real Class. So I would do that. I would assign it a color. This is the color that your items will be sorted by. Not that important, but a nice tool. So I will put it as yellow. And I'm going to say this project, as they call it, is a subset of my junior year of spring semester. So I'm going to put it in right there. Then if I wanted, I could add even more sub-projects. So let's say that class has readings. I'll do readings. I'm going to set it as the same color just to keep it easy. And then I'll put that under not a real class. And now I could go in and add not a real reading. And these categories, I mean, it's already sorted under not a real class, but I could also give it a priority with a hashtag, or sorry, just P1, 2, or 3. I'm going to say this is very important, so it's P1. Then I could assign it a date. Let's say it's due July 6th. Press enter and it's in high priority, which is what the red signifies. And if I were to look in my calendar, it wouldn't show up in next 7 days, but when it got to July, this event would show up in there. And that's all for this recording. Thank you.